Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Ken Burns effect on CapCut PC. Select a still image, could be landscape, could be any size. Well, landscape is a bit better. It's the same thing essentially. But for the example, I'm just going to use this. Add a keyframe here at the beginning. And then kind of at the end here, you're just going to want to scale it. And then you're going to focus it on the subject and make it so it's in the middle. You can make it a longer duration if you'd like to here. But that's pretty much how you can create the Ken Burns effect. Well, animation. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Okay, this is not long enough. Let me just adjust this. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.